Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Hub. I recently uploaded a video about one of my 3D printing projects, and I got a comment from one of you asking for a detailed review of the Chitubox slicer. I thought, what a great idea! So in today's video, we're diving deep into the newly launched version of Chitubox Pro 2.0. Let's take a journey through all the incredible features of this software, and by the end, you'll see why it can be your best friend when it comes to resin 3D printing. All right, picture this. You're sitting in front of your screen, sipping coffee, and you've just finished designing a model. Now, you need to slice it and prepare it for printing. Normally, that could take some time, right? With Chitubox, you've got a trick up your sleeve, ChituAction. With just one click, it prepares your model automatically. ChituAction is like having a personal assistant that handles the boring stuff. You click once, and it does everything from scaling your model to saving the sliced file. This feature is perfect for those days when you've got multiple projects lined up and need to keep things moving. Now, anyone who's spent time preparing a print knows that supports are crucial, especially for complex models. But figuring out the best support strategy, not so fun. This is where magic support comes in. Imagine you've got this intricate model with tons of overhangs and delicate parts. You're worried about whether the supports will hold or if your print might fail. With Magic Support, you click one button and boom! The software intelligently places supports where they're needed most. It analyzes your model, applies supports automatically, and you can sit back knowing it's taken care of. It's as if the software reads your mind and applies supports exactly where they should go. But what if you've got a more standard model? Something that doesn't require a lot of fancy support placement. That's where auto support comes into play. For regular models, Chitubox uses uniform automated support distribution. This ensures that the supports are spread evenly across the model, handling stress points effectively. It's perfect for beginners who may not yet know the best support strategies and want reliable results without fuss. Now, let's say you're a pro and you want total control over how your supports are positioned. Chitubox has your back with manual support. Here's where things get fun for those who like precision. With face support, you can add support directly to the surface of a model. Need to support the edge of a face instead? Use boundary support for that. It's all about placing supports exactly where you want them. And the cool part? With one-click manual generation, even if you're placing supports by hand, the process is super efficient. It's the best of both worlds. Precision and speed. One of the first things you'll notice when using the latest version of Chitubox is the sleek new design. The brand new theme not only looks great, but makes it easier to navigate the software. Whether you're in lighting mode or detail mode, the UI adapts to the type of model you're working on. And the user experience? It's buttery smooth, especially with support for Microsoft DirectX and Apple Metal. That means faster model interaction, and a better overall experience. If you like to speed things up, you'll appreciate the ability to rotate views around a pivot point and the new range of shortcut keys. Custom shortcuts let you fine-tune the software to your liking, making your workflow much faster. You can set up Chitubox to work exactly how you want it to. Now for the advanced users, Chitubox has powerful features like advanced hollow to reduce material use while still maintaining structural integrity. Whether you want solid, honeycomb, or mesh fillings, this tool has you covered. And if you're worried about model issues during printing, features like risk detection, cavity detection, and collision detection are built in to prevent problems before they happen. Also, Chitubox comes with amazing features like cloud support parameters, Chitubox RMA, and Chitu Manager. Chitubox lets you save your go-to support configuration and even share it across devices or with other users. Plus, the software offers official recommended support profiles. So if you're in a rush, you can just use one of those. It's like having a library of support setups at your fingertips. So, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, Chitubox is designed to make your slicing experience easier. From one-click automation to deep manual controls, it's packed with features that help streamline your 3D printing workflow. And for a limited time, you can use my coupon code DDesignHub to get 50% off on Chitubox Pro. Check the link in the description below for more info. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot. Thanks for tuning in to Design Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more 3D printing tips and reviews.